Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make Mutton Boti Kebab, which will be very delicious and flavorful, infused with a nice smoky flavor. So friends, let's get started with this delicious mutton starter recipe. So here I have taken around 500 grams of boneless mutton cut into medium portion like this. And now I'm going to marinate this by adding 3 tablespoons of thick curd or dahi. Then this is green or raw papaya paste, adding 3 tablespoons of it. Next goes 1.5 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. Then these are onions fried crisp and deep golden brown, and we need to crush them with our fingers and we'll add them as well in the marination. Then here I have taken some spices. 1 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper or kali mirch, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or zeera powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. You can adjust the spices as per the quantity of mutton you are making. And now we'll add all the spices in the marination bowl. Next goes the juice of half a lemon, some chopped fresh coriander leaves. Then here I have taken a teaspoon of oil where I had fried the onions. And now we will massage all the ingredients well with the mutton for at least 2 minutes so that they are well combined. As we all know, mutton takes a longer time to get cooked compared to chicken. But since we have added papaya paste, curd and lemon juice, this will help to tenderize the meat and cook them faster. So mixing is done. And now I'm going to marinate this overnight for best results so that they turn soft and juicy when we cook them. Next, heat a pan and into it I will add a small cube of butter. Brush the butter on all the sides of the pan. And when the pan is hot, we will add the mutton pieces which has been marinated overnight. We will keep the flame on medium to high for first 1 to 2 minutes. After about 1 to 2 minutes, we will reduce the flame to low, and on low flame we will cover and cook the mutton for about 6 to 7 minutes. It's 7 minutes. Let's check the mutton once. We'll flip the mutton pieces one by one. And now again we will cover and cook the mutton on low flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, we will remove the lid and stir the mutton along with the spices. The mutton pieces are well coated with the marination masala. We will now increase the flame to medium and let the mutton fry with the masala. We'll flip the mutton pieces in between so that they are evenly roasted from both the sides. Also remember to brush them with butter in between so that they remain moist and juicy. And by now our mutton boti kebabs are well cooked. You can see here meat has started to fall apart. And now the last and important step, and that is to infuse our boti kebab with a smoky flavor. For that, place a steel bowl in the middle of the pan and into it we will add a burnt charcoal. Add a teaspoon of Desi ghee and immediately we will cover it with a lid and let it stay for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll remove the lid and arrange our mutton boti kebabs for serving. I'll arrange my mutton boti kebabs in wooden skewers like this. And there it goes. Our delicious and flavorful mutton boti kebabs on the serving plate. I'll garnish with few onion rings, lemon slices and a spicy green chutney to enjoy with. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious and interesting mutton boti kebab recipe. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.